Fanawale, Fanawale, shout out to AKA, yeah. Sometimes I don't believe in myself and I wanna quit. Sometimes I don't think that I am ever gonna win. Sometimes I don't even think that I am meant for the shit, man. Sometimes it's really hard for me to jump on the beat, cause I don't see no results. All I'm getting is remarks. And nigga been filling up veins while drinking out of empty cups. And I've been in and out, but never done it giving up. And I've been hitting up record labels trying to see if I get lucky. Hey, and I've been hitting up all the niggas that are up, hoping that they gonna hit me back. Tell me they gonna meet me at the club, but they ain't hitting me back. They ain't reading them texts, cause I'm not verified. They ain't even gonna check, cause I'm not with their entourage or be where they at. They don't fuck with a nigga, I'ma leave it at that. So I'ma make myself hot and be hard to ignore. No, I'ma walk with the light. You gon' recognize me when I walk through the door. But I'll be out of reach, man, I'll be out in space. You gonna need SpaceX rockets to get on my space. You're gonna need real deep pockets to look at my face. You're gonna need high-grade weed to get to my state, cause I don't really compromise. Nothing is the best or nothing. We get hot, shit on the couch and we start touching. We take the cannabis and we put it in the muffins. We call them space cookies now. Everybody's laughing at my jokes. Hey, even though they ain't funny. A nigga turn to a comedian. Trevor Noah can't touch me. The heartbeat, the life of the party. I don't sleep, I don't do one night stands. I'm the type that you gotta keep. You wanna know who I am, you gotta be willing to see. If I told you who I am, it's who I wanna be. Would you believe? That's something that we gotta find out. I wrote my life on a song, I hope it pan out. Don't wanna be like that man, all I wanna stand out. I wanna earn what I got, I don't want no handouts. My nigga, I really wanna bust out with beats like I'm Jigga. So niggas see me like a Hindu god and they shiver. Hindu god and they shiver. Yeah.